Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn about IP addressing, subnetting, and CIDR notation. At the end of this video, you will able to implement IP addressing scheme and perform CIDR notation in addressing scheme. So enjoy this video.
Hello Zakir, have you completed Mr. Azam assessment? Hi Fatin, not yet. I have a problem with IPv4 addressing scheme and CIDR notation part. Me too. Let us Mr. Azam to help us.
Hi student, how may I help you?
We have a problem with this part. Can you help us, Mr. Azam?
Hello, dear student. At first, before I explain the answer to your question, let me introduce first a little bit about the course that teach about IP address. The course is ITN, or Introduction to Network, where it consists of elements like imaging technologies, basic networking, and internet connectivity framework. So, for the objective of the course consists of three main things, which is IP address version 4, subnettings or subnets, and CIDR or classless inter-domain routing, and many others. By the end of the course, obviously, it's about to gain a knowledge about these three aspects of the course, where includes IP address, subnetting, and CIDR. Talk about IPv4 is about address, the identification of every host inside the networking system, which include PC, router, and many other network peripherals. As you can see, IPv4 addresses are written in four parts separated by dots like this example. Each part written in conventional base 10 numeral represents an 8-bit binary number from 0 to 255. When you combine, it will create a structural IPv4 address which consists of 4 octets. As for example, we take 192.168.0.0 as an example, so you can get an 4-octet structure IPv4 address. Subnetting, however, is about the control of accessibility of every host in the network. The division of IP address block in subnetting bring the efficiency of the usage for every network resources. A subnet or subnetwork is a network inside a network. Subnet make network more efficient. Through subnetting, network traffic can travel a shorter distance without passing through unnecessary router to reach its destination. For classless inter-domain routing, however, which by means to effectively divide the IP address by eliminates the number of counterproductive IP address. CIDR is based on variable length subnet masking or VLSM. This allows it to define prefix of arbitrary length, making it much more efficient. Now, let's take a look at one example to answer your initial question. For this example, I will implement this very particular method where there are many another solution method exists. To make a subnetting, First step, you need to convert a default subnet mask or prefix CIDR to binary bits to identify the network and host portion, where you can find a network address by using a logical AND. The logical AND operator returns true if both operands are true and return false otherwise. As for example, an IP address of 192.168.10.10, where you need to convert it first into a binary, and then you execute a logical AND to a subnet mask where the decimal value is 255.255.255.0, where the binary representing by 1111 8 times, and for 0 representing by 0000.0000. So when you execute a logical AND, the answer should be as shown, where you can get a network address answer as 192.168.10.0. For the next step, in order to find a broadcast address, first thing first, you need to invert the subnet mask or use the wildcard mask in order to find a broadcast address. So you can use a logical OR operand to find this answer. Inside the table, you will compare the difference between logical OR and logical AND. The logical OR operator returns true if any operands are true and return false if both operand is false. So when you execute this operand into a IP address with a wildcard mask, so the result is you will get a full ones to all of the octet fault. So the answer for broadcast address is 192.168.10.255. For step number 3, or last step, you need to fulfill the answer based on the table requirement. You already got the network address and the broadcast address, which means you got a front guard and back guard. So in order to find a first available IP address, you need to add 1 into the network address, where you can get 192.168.10.1. As for the last available address, you just need to minus 1 from a broadcast address. So you will get the answer is 192.168.10.254. So you will get all of the answer inside the subnetting. So for the network address, first address, last address, and broadcast address. So hopefully my explanation able to give both of you the idea on how to find the answer. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Azam.